You bake about every 10 minutes. And this is the photos. It's good area for you see the baby tortoise, the big one tortoise. No tocarlo. This is $35 each for you like it complete. I just want to see the ruins.
Huh?
You like it, Suna?
You don't want to go into the water? Singapore reef? You don't get? Do you get wet in the reef on the boat? On the boat?
And the boat?
For the reef?
Yeah.
Do you get wet?
It's a shadow, it's 1 meter, 2 meters, and it's in front the roof. It's good area for the snorkel, for its shadow. For more, like a shell jacket. It's good area for the picture. Es muy bonito, te lo recomiendo.
You coming? Baños? Change? Tacos, breakfast. Yeah, I have to change. I have to change now.
She said it was over there.
It's okay. So we got a bag. What'd I pay? I pay $15 for a book bag. We got a bathing suit for what is it? 300 pesos, so $30? No, $15 for a bathing suit. The bag was $5, $7.50. Oh, that's not bad for a bag.
Where are we going?
Baños. More because it's deeper.
Do you cost more?
Hell yeah. You go to the corner store at the corner, it's much cheaper. Where's the back? Let's go this way. Oh yeah, back here. It's like a swap shop by the ruins or something. Maybe, probably, possibly. Oh. What are you looking for? I don't know.
We did like the same thing, we walk around, get the shopping, and then we got like a bus to get for dinner because it was so far. What you doing?
Okay, so that was $37.56. I got a t-shirt and 2 pullovers for $37.56. Your brother's shirt cost me $40 and I didn't get it.
How much did we spend earlier on the bathing suit? How much we spent on the bathing suit?
The bathing suit was $7.50.
Really? No.
Yeah, 300 peso. That's excuse me, $15. And the bag was $7.50.
We did 300 pesos? That's what we did?
300 for the bathing suit. Tearing it at $50, you can get a whole outfit wardrobe, boy. Get a whole wardrobe for $50. Ah.
Hey guys, yes, I got a monkey for the picture.
You have a monkey?
Photo? Yes, you want to hold it?
I don't want to hold it, but I will record her.
Come on,
What's her
my
name?
friend. Justin Bieber.
Her name is Justin Bieber. Oh, okay, okay.
This guy, the guy, have I wanted to the movies to tell you everything about the place?
No, thank you.
He said Justin Bieber.
The monkey thing. Aren't you glad you brought your
Face
hat?
mask, sell everything. They'll sell you oxygen in a bottle, baby.
How much is a mask? I do want one of those flower masks.
Stop buying everything. We already I spent $50 on stuff. I got a bag. I got a bathing suit, 2 pullovers, t-shirts.
Oh, no, thank you.
Okay,
Can I have, that's the last thing I want.
What?
A flower mask.
Maybe she's there when I come back. I'll pay her 50 pesos. No more than 50 pesos. $2.50. That's too much for a mask. I can go to Amazon. That's a better deal.
Yeah, but it's not
I can get a flower mask on Amazon. Alright, well, hopefully I don't get my hair wet again. This is like the 3rd time I'm jumping in water. If there's more freaking water, I had to wash my hair after the 2nd time. Excret, and then the, what do you call?
Cenote.
Cenote. And then we have, was it scuba? Snorkeling. Snorkeling, and then possibly a cenote. Oh boy. Water, water, water.
It's hot, of course. It's
I'll go around. What's this called? Something playa? What beach? Don't even know the name of the beach. Playa Pescadores, Tulum. And we are going on a boat. Yeah, buddy.
Okay, Mexican boy, yes, I like you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, right here. So right here is good. Shout out. You afraid yet?
Should we put the bag under here?
No, it'll get wet.
Under?
Yeah, down is wet. Up is not. It's dry. It's just dry. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Hey. hielo?
Tell mantarraya. What's the weather?
Put it on, and you can just look down with the ladder. Down there.
Oh my God.
Go look.
I see it from here.
Take a look. So I learned something today. I could not be a fisherman. No? Seasick like never before.
Water's coming.
And the water's okay. I want to kiss the ground. Oh my God, I want to hurl my whole breakfast. Oh, it was bad.
Do you Google remedies for seasickness?
Hey,
I'm not sure.
you have to take care of it before you leave. And we did not. Oh my God. Go get in the water.
I get it off? Most of it?
Yeah.
I'm going to say you want to see the bench so you didn't even watch.
I was watching.
When you get too hot, you're going to go take
Is this on story or fast forward or what? I didn't even check. What are these boats down here? Completely different. English.
What's your plan for tomorrow? You have plan for tomorrow? Maybe you like to go to ATVs? I have ATVs. Sing line, everything to enjoy.
Sierra, are we in Tulum tomorrow? Are we in Tulum tomorrow?
No, we're leaving.
Oh, so we'll be in Cancun tomorrow.
Which one? What time you will leave?
11?
11.
Yeah.
You like to go to snorkeling today?
Oh, we
No,
did.
we just did.
We did.
Oh.
Seasick. Oh my God. Not for me. Not for me. ATVs was good.
Yeah,
Snorkel,
yeah.
no.
Next time,
Next time.
we will be back. So,
Oh. Okay, we will be back because my wife has come to be back and my wife is going to be
yes.
Ah.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you. We are coming back. With or without Jordan.
Hey, don't be like that.
Maybe back sooner than you know.
I don't know which part we're on the beach here. This is like the edge of the beach. We're pretty much walking to the Mayan ruins from the outside, which is dope.
You don't have to be
It will be in the water.
I didn't see the girl with the head dancing yet.
Nope, I did not.
I wanted one. It's like I wanted those earrings.
Knocked out.
Huh?
It looks good. Knocked out.
I don't have to do that. Be on the stomach like that?
Yeah. She's out cold.
Huh?
She's out cold, boy.
People just lay out over here.
Yeah. Salida? That way? That way? That way? Or no?
That's it.
No, not yet.
You wanna go this way?
I think this is over here, no?
Y a la morra le pasó la ola y le llegó hasta arriba, güey.